I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you a great cleaning tip when you're cleaning, gardening, or working outside with tools. Hello, welcome back to my channel on all things cleaning, and I just wanted to give you a tip on the cleaning side of your tools when you are gardening or working in the lawn or whatever you're doing outside projects. A lot of times when we get finished cleaning, we just throw them back in and we leave dirt and stuff, or some people do, some people don't, but we just leave things around, and that's what causes all the rust. This is a good case of what not to do. But I am a new homeowner, so I am learning all these tricks and tips as we go. And so I just want to let you know that when you're done for the day, to remove all of that off, and don't put your tools away wet so they don't rust. So just quickly rinse them off. If you're hosing things down, take a hose, rinse them off, wipe them off, let them dry, and then put them away. You will extend the life of these products, and then when you go to use them, you won't be like, oh, trying to get through the rust, and you know, we all struggle with that, and then you get mad, and then you think you gotta go buy another set. And also, if you're buying tools, I recommend garage sales. You can find great gardening tools or outdoor tools for the best prices are at garage sales. So I can't wait for garage sales season. I know right now things are a little bit different, so we'll see, but that's where we like to buy our gardening tools or get them. But instead of having to rebuy them constantly, let's just clean them. So I'm just gonna quickly clean these items just so you can see what you could do. If you don't have a hose to rinse them off, you could just use a bucket or do whatever you need to do to clean your tools up. It's really not like a huge thing. They don't have to be perfectly clean. First, I would try to, this has been on there forever. I would try to remove whatever you can. Like for instance, this one is wet dirt. So I'll just toss that. And then if you have a, see my hand's already dirty. If you have a hose, that's like the best thing to do. We're gonna use a bucket because everybody can find a bucket. Not everybody has a hose. And if you have like a sink or something outside, man, that would be nice too. But really, just hosing them off when you're done. And if you're working with garden tools, you most likely have a hose. So this one's pretty old and it's all rusted. But I'm gonna use it until it breaks, to be honest. You just dip it. Now, if you don't have the patience for it to dry in the nice sun weather, or think you'll remember to come back, you can go ahead and just, you know, give it a quick little dry, because you don't want to put it away wet. That's where you get all your mildew and stuff, and where it starts to rust. See, at one point it was green, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this until it snaps and breaks on me one day. And then like this one here wasn't really all that dirty, so maybe you just wipe it down just to keep it out. And this is really not about, you know, having pretty clean stuff, but it's really just if you take care of your stuff, it'll last a lot longer, which saves some money. You know what I'm saying? My glasses are coming off. So you could even just wet a towel and simply wipe things off, whatever works for you, because everybody's situation is going to be different. So I'm trying to give options, if you will. Like this one. Here, we could even dump it into your bucket. You could put a bucket out and just dump your stuff in, and this is actually, get it, if you can get your dirt and stuff when it's wet on there, man, that's nice. I actually did all my gardening this morning, which was like, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours ago. So it's been sitting there the whole time waiting for me to film. Okay, that's taking forever. So don't wait. Don't wait, appreciate your tools. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you're just trying to save your tools. And don't forget to clean the bucket when you're done. And your hose, for that matter. I think because I clean houses and I work with sponges so much that they're my go-to move. I think my sunglasses are broken. All right. And honestly, these can just air dry. Look at that one looks. I probably need clean water now. I think a hose would be my top pick. If I was not making a video right now, I would be hosing these off. Hose off your hose. I mean, it's really not anything but getting it off of there. If you have clean water, boy, that would be a lot better. Okay, that's it. It's super simple. This super little one last minute, I know you'll be exhausted at the end of the day, and that's like the last thing that you want to do, but you definitely want to do it if you don't want to buy your products again. And see this? I will be rinsing this out too, but we'll save that for another video. All right, then we can let those dry and put them away.
Okay, let's go for it.
Okay, everybody's out. Why is everybody out? Hello, neighbors. Damn, I'm on it today.